Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm just moving you around. Give me just 1 second.
Hey!
Let me hold my hair. And we are going to be making some lemon cookies with some lemon flavor like sugar that we're going to put on top of the cookie before they go in the oven. So as you always know, this is the brand of the cookies that we're going to be making. They're lemon. Crustias. Bayer Lemon is the brand. You know, this bad boy cost me $1.99. That's a lot of money for cookies. But I wanted to try them, so here's my egg. Crack that bad boy in there.
Crack it up, crack it up.
And, oh, the stick of butter.
Yes.
Oh, the stick of butter.
Alright, well let's show everybody what we do to the butter.
I know, I didn't even think.
Melt it up, melt it up.
The stick of butter, so I'm going to start moving the egg while my butter over there
It's melted.
in the microwave. Yeah,
Oh, look at that sugar, guys. Look
melted.
at that sugar. That's so cool.
It's lemon sugar. You can smell it. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
It tastes like, smells like an orangey, like lemon
orange
that you just
lemon.
cut. Like
Yeah.
Yeah, like a lemon slice. There you go.
Yeah. What are those lemons with the stripes? Zebra lemons.
Yeah, I guess so.
They're pink on the inside.
The lemons with the stripes.
That's how they make pink lemonade.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because it's pink,
So.
it's pink.
Yeah.
Tell us down in the comments below.
I like the yellow or the green. I like the lime.
The best?
I
Yeah, it
like
has
the
to go
lime
sour.
juice. So we're gonna stir, guys, as you can see me
Stir
here.
it up, stir it up.
So I'm flexing with my arm here.
Oh
so
yeah,
you
look
can
at that.
see.
Look,
Huh?
what?
Flexing that cookie dough. is
Flex it
hard.
up, flex it
You
up.
gotta work it.
It's almost been a year, everyone. Tell us down in the comments below if she's gotten muscular.
Look at the other arm.
Look at that arm. Whoa. Whoa.
And I think we still have like a little bit.
Butter, butter,
Yeah, because every little bit counts.
Oh, Ginger's looking for her little share.
No, she ain't getting no butter.
Oh, no lemon
what
for
do you
you,
think?
Ginger.
I'm gonna give the dog Michael butter.
No.
Really?
But just in case some falls,
No, Ginger, get out of
guess
there.
who's gonna catch it?
Yeah. It's not good.
Oh,
you
that
know?
smells delicious.
Yeah,
Can you smell it? It smells like a lime was just peeled.
Now we're just gonna like drop little balls. Like
And
we
yes,
did
everybody, we
with the
use
Oreo
a
cookies.
pizza board.
Measuring
Is this a
spoon.
pizza board?
Huh?
No, a pizza tray. We use a pizza tray for our cookies.
Pizza
Yes.
tray. Now who cares? Like nobody.
I know. It still cooks the cookies.
Okay. So I'm gonna use like hold on, Mike. This is good, but you know we gotta take.
Wow.
Yeah, you know.
Look at that.
It feels nice and soft.
You know.
I think the egg does it.
Hold on,
you
let
know?
me zoom that in. Let me zoom that
Oh,
in.
guys, yeah, I think the egg.
It looks like almost like vanilla.
I taste it, whatever.
What do you think?
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat them.
Well,
I will taste one. Oh, it tastes delicious. We just wash it, rinsing my hands, because now what we're gonna do is we are going to make little balls
little ball,
like these, eh? And
All right.
one.
One little lemon ball. You know what that looks like? Ice cream.
Two.
You think that's how they trick people in the movies? They're like, oh, look at that ice cream, and it's really like stuff like this, like
Three.
cookie dough and stuff with like different colors.
Four.
Oh, very nice.
Five.
Get that aerial vision. Oh.
Six. I gotta buy one of those things
Very
that I
nice.
can spray my cookies out. You know, one of those like little funnels. You know what I'm talking about?
Tell us in the comments below.
That you use
What
and you
funnels?
kind of like shove everything inside, and then you squeeze. Like when
Oh,
you're
the
making- you know,
little
that
tube, the little
funnel.
tube.
It's like a funnel, yeah.
Like the
I think you
little-
can make it out of paper.
It looks like toothpaste,
Yeah, it's a funnel.
but it
It's
has like a
little-
toothpaste with like a little plastic at the end, and you squeeze it.
You
like
think
that.
I can put another one there?
Oh, a squeeze bottle.
What do you think? No.
And
hold on. Let me keep
well,
on
they're gonna
doing-
spread.
Yeah. So
Spread it up, spread it up. Oh,
one. I I think we're gonna make as many as the last time.
And I see the comments, everybody. Her hands are clean. This is not a dirty house.
Oh, who says something
Right,
about
Mom?
my hands?
Oh no, nobody. I was just,
Yeah,
just
I'm
in
not cooking
case.
for anybody.
Just in case people were wondering. Oh, why don't you have gloves? You know what? Want to know why? Because she's my mom. That's why.
Well, I'm not cooking.
And not only
for
that, but she's
anybody.
clean, the cleanest lady I
I'm
know.
cooking for my
That
for
I've
my
ever met.
family. Yeah, but nobody's saying anything, Michael. Why you gotta say that?
Oh no,
you know?
I'm just saying.
But why you saying that? You know, nobody has said that, right, guys? I think Michael's tripping over there.
Oh, that looks nice.
And if I am, who cares?
That looks really
That
nice.
one looks very good. Bien delicioso. Okay, now we're gonna put them in the oven, and then we're gonna come back in 10-15 minutes. Let's put the time first. Cook time. I'm gonna put 15 minutes like the last time, and we're gonna start right there at 350.
How do you say 15 in Spanish?
15,
15.
So this is the first tray. It's gonna go in the bottom, exactly in the middle.
Just like last
That
time.
way they cook at the same exact temperature and at the same time. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. And you close it, and I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us wherever you see us, Instagram, Twitter, like us on Facebook. And you know what to do. Just follow the link below, and that will take you to our Patreon account where you can donate or not donate. But don't forget to come back because we're having lemon cookies in 15 minutes. Don't forget.
And those are our lemon cookies. Don't forget to subscribe.